Hello guys, this is me, What's it? I'm part of the Randy Bros, and today we're going to be playing Chef's Quest. So yeah, I found this on the App Store and let's begin. Loading. We got a piggy bank, we smashed it, we have a, okay. So we used the piggy bank and then we packed up and we went to a field trip. That's how I know it. Hello chef, welcome to Paris. Let's see if you can cook, shall we? So let's go to level 1. So let's play. Really? Okay. Let's do this. So slice the captain. Wait. Okay. Make 4 or more matches. Complete this level. What? So let's see. We could at least use lettuce. Okay, we got chili and then whoa. Whoa. Okay, fantastic. Sorry if that happened. It was my mom that did it. So yeah, let's continue. And see you after I take a shower. Yeah, bye. Okay, I'm back from the dead. Okay, from the dead, I mean something else. I'm back from the shower and let's go. Let's play. Yay. Yeah, let's go on the airplane. Okay, I got 50 moves. Slice the corn across and make 4 in a row. You made a special ingredient. Match the blah blah blah. Oh. Keep matching the ingredients to get a better score. You need 3,000 points to complete this level. Okay. Now what? Case Clash Royale. You know what? I'm clearing everything. Okay, now let's see that. Then let's do this. Then let's do this. Whoa. Now let's do that. Oh, ho, ho. All I need is this.
Delicious.
Now all I need is that.
Sizzling.
And this. Then make this.
Yummy.
Okay, I reached the target. Thanks. Thank you. How do I go to the next level? Yeah, sure. Next level, play. So I'm gonna do 5 levels, and then I'm gonna keep the rest for something else. Try matching rings in a T or L shape. That gives raw bomb. Okay. Okay, so what I do need is this, then that, then that, and I could have a hot pepper. Then this, then that, then this, then that, then this, that, then that. Oh my goodness, that was good. Okay, all I need is that there, then that there, then that, then this,
Tasty.
then this, then one more. Reach the target. Fabulous. Okay, let's go to next. Good job. Now let's take a look at your restaurant. Your restaurant is currently at level 1 and increase there. Take up the categories. Select a table. Which table should I get? This one. Buy new items, construct a new level up your new restaurant. Chaffo, it looks like a whole new restaurant. That looks better, alright. Turn your device to silence to look it close. Looking good. Create your unlimited restaurant using the money earned from puzzle games. So I did that. And now doing the song.
¿Come qué?
¿Ya te peinaste? ¿Espagueti?
No, that wasn't it.
¿Lo que hay para comer?
You're still planning for chicken bake? Okay.
Yo sin bañarte.
Okay, so mix the 2 special ingredients together for a flavor explosive. Oh my goodness, okay. That's actually really good. Okay, do that. Then you can do this, then that, and then that. Then this. Then this. Then that.
¿Haces eso?
Then this. Yeah, look. No. I'm not turning it off yet.
Mentiroso.
Did I? Okay, I don't know.
No. ¿No la pago?
No, I did not say that I had it on. Okay. Sorry if I'm talking, but I'm talking to my mom. Yay. I only have one more left. Okay, I'm done. Oh ho ho ho. Okay, target reach. Okay. Nice job. You earn bonus coins based on your restaurant level. Okay, thanks. So if I get at least, so let me just at least play 2 more levels and then I'm done for today. Magic 5 and create a magic pot. Mix the pot with another ingredient to clear all the ingredients. Oh wait, so that's what I did. You can mix and match all types of special ingredients for special effects. So I'm just wasting moves here. Then I could do this, then that,
Delightful.
then this, then that, and then I could do this, then that, Then I can move it up.
Delicious.
Perfect. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, that's good.
Rising.
Okay, let's see if I can make everything. Okay, this is good. Then all I need is that there. Turn this up. Yes.
Delicious. Delightful.
Now let's see. So this is good. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. And let's try this. Then let's try yes. It's perfect. No, I can't. Okay, let's try that. Then this. Ho ho. Oh. Okay, I want it more than that though. That's good. You're making me allergic to you. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is good. And one more, and then I'll show. And I'll see you next time. We'll decorate our thing. Remove all the cooking grease to complete this level. Mashed ingredients to remove the grease.
Saucy.
And I could do this, and that, and then this.
Delightful.
And after that, I could do this. Then this. Huh?
No pudiste meter la carpeta para adentro. Mira, mojazón que hiciste, ve.
This, and then. Sorry. That's,
Flavor frenzy. Sizzling.
whoa, that's a lot. Remove all. That's good. So now, let's decorate our shop, and then I'll end this video. So we could actually get another wall, which I want. We'll get this bar. In there. So yeah, guys, I think that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Bye!